Unleashing your inner strength. Overcome any challenge. Welcome. Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly conquer challenges while others struggle? Is there a secret to facing life's toughest obstacles and emerging victorious? Today, we're diving into how you can unlock your inner strength and turn your challenges into stepping stones for success. In just a few minutes, you'll discover key insights that could change your life. Meet Alex, a student overwhelmed by exams and assignments. Sleepless nights and mounting pressure have left Alex feeling defeated, with the weight of academic expectations becoming almost unbearable. In search of guidance, Alex turns to a wise professor known for unconventional yet effective advice. The professor's wisdom is simple but powerful. Break your tasks into smaller pieces, focus on one step at a time, and celebrate each small win. Success isn't about avoiding challenges, but learning how to overcome them with persistence and belief in yourself. With this newfound perspective, Alex returns to the study grind, breaking down the overwhelming workload into manageable sections. Each small victory builds confidence, and slowly, the insurmountable mountain of work starts to look more like a series of achievable hills. Exam day arrives. Armed with effective study strategies and renewed determination, Alex tackles each question with growing confidence. The results? Not just a passing grade, but excellence. Alex has proven that inner strength and a strategic approach can turn any challenge into an opportunity for growth. Remember, the strength you need to conquer your challenges lies within you. Each obstacle is a chance to grow stronger and more resilient. Don't let fear hold you back. Start today. Take that first step towards your dreams. You have what it takes to succeed. What's your next challenge? Embrace it with confidence, take action, and believe in your potential. Start studying, lace up your shoes, make that crucial decision, and watch yourself soar. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lao Tzu. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below on how you face your challenges, and let us know what strategies work for you. Your feedback helps us improve and bring you more content that empowers and inspires. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more inspiring content. Remember, you have the strength to overcome any challenge. Embrace your journey today.